Next question. Find the equation of a circle which is concentric with x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 and passing through minus 2 comma 14. So this is the question here. If you observe here what is the circle equation which is concentric? Concentric means two or more circles have only one center is are called as the concentric circles. So now this is one circle here. This is one circle and it's concentric circles. These two have the same center. This is the center. What is here? This is the C. Now it is the given. This is the S1. It is the S2. So S1 is the circle 1. S2 is the circle 2. So here S1 is what here? S1 is what here? S1 is equal to circle equation 1. That is the x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the S1 is equal to, should write here, S1 equivalent. This is the circle equation 1. So now take as the equation 1 here and here take as the S2. So if the S1 is concentric with S2, therefore S2 equivalent what you have is the x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. So why? Because when the both are concentric, so these terms will be same, only constants will be different. So this is the equation 2. And given that here the equation 2 is passing through the point minus 2 comma 14. Therefore here S2 is passing through point 2 comma 14. So now equation 2 is passing through minus 2 comma 14. So substitute minus 2 comma 14 in equation 2. So then you get that here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. So now write that here x value is minus 2. Therefore take that minus 2 whole square plus 14 whole square minus 6 into x is equal to minus 2 minus 4 into y is equal to 14 plus k is equal to 0. So now minus 2 square becomes the 4 plus 14 square is equal to 196 minus and minus plus 6 to 12. Get that here minus 14 become 4 for just 16 carry 1 56. So plus k is equal to 0. So if you observe here, this is the negative term, these are the positive terms. So take that here 196 plus 4 200 200 plus 12 212 212 minus 56. So we get that here 10 plus 6, then we get the 0, it won't go, 10 carry 10 minus 5 5, we get the 156. Therefore 156 plus k is 0. Therefore k is equal to minus 156. So substitute the k value in the equation 2. Therefore get that here substitute k in equation 2 or in S2. Therefore the S2 will become that here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 156 is equal to 0. So this is the required answer. So now find the equation of the circle whose center lies on the x-axis and passing through the points minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. So it is the very important question for IPE. So first of all, to solve this, so we should understand that its diagram. This is the circle. So these are the axes. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is the origin, and on the x-axis there is the center of the circle, and it is circle is going through the points minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. So we have to find out the its equation. So for that purpose, let's take that here. Let the equation is, let the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Plus c is equal to 0 and take as the equation 1. So if you observe here, so here the circle has a center on x-axis. So what given here? Given that here its center on x-axis. So see here, if you observe on the x-axis the coordinates like this. So the y value always 0. So therefore the minus g comma 0 is the center. Therefore you should write the f value 0 in the equation 1. Therefore the f is equal to center c is equal to, get that here, minus g comma 0. It means substitute the f value in the equation. Therefore substitute f is equal to 0 in equation 1. So then it becomes that here x square plus y square plus 2gx plus f is equal to 0 kabatti this term will be vanish. We get the plus c is equal to 0. So now this is the equation here and this is the circle equation. This is take as the b. So now see up here this equation is passes through the points minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. Therefore so it passes through minus 2 comma 3 and here become that here substitute the its values in the equation. So that is minus 2 whole square plus the y value is what here 3 square plus 2gx 2 into g into x value is minus 2 and plus c is equal to 0. So here become that here 4 plus 9 minus 4g plus c is equal to 0. So then we get that here minus 4g plus c become that here plus 13 is equal to 0. Take as the equation c. So equation c, so this is the equation a, equation c, and then now again the same circle is passing to the point 4 comma 5. Therefore equation b is passing through 4 comma 5. So now substitute 4 comma 5 in equation b. So therefore it becomes that here equation b is x square means 4 square plus y square means 5 square and plus 2gx, g ante g is and 4 x value plus c is equal to 0. So now the 16 plus 25 plus 8g plus c is equal to 0. Now 8g plus c, 16 plus 25 we get that 1 and 41 plus 41 is equal to 0. So 8g plus c plus 41 is equal to 0 here. So now take us the equation d. So now if we solve the equation d and equation c, we get the value of g and c. Then substitute those values in the equation b, then we get the answer. So now here minus 4g is there, we have the 8g is there, therefore we will convert them into the 8g. That's why take the 2 into equation c and then take the plus equation d. So then 2 into equation c become what here minus 4g into 2 become the minus 8g and then plus 2 into c 2c, then plus 13 2 ja 26 is equal to 0. Multiply the equation c with the 2 and then take the equation d 8g plus c plus 41 is equal to 0. So then we have to solve it, we have to add them, they will get cancelled here. we get the 3c plus we get that here 67 is equal to 0. So then the c value become 3c is equal to minus 67 by 67, then c is equal to minus 67 by 3. 67 by 3. So then we get that here so then substitute the c value in the equation c or d, we get the g value. So then take that here c value is what here, substitute c in equation c, you get that here minus 4g plus c value is what here, minus 67 by 3 plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore minus 4g is equal, we get that here 67 by 3 minus 13. So then we get that here 3 is LCM here. Therefore minus 4g is equal to 67 minus, so 3 3 ja 9, 39 by 3. We get that here 67 minus 39. So 67 minus 39, 10 carry, 10 minus 9, 1, 8. We get the 5 minus 3, 28. The 28 by 3. Therefore g is equal to 28 by 3 into minus 1 by 4. Then we get that here 4 1 ja 4 7 ja 7 by 3, get that here. Therefore g is equal to minus 7 by 3, and we know that here the f value is equal to 0 already. So substitute the c value, g value, f value in the equation 1, then we get the answer. So that is substitute g comma f comma c in equation a or 1. So therefore we get that here. So x square plus y square plus 2 into the value of g is minus 7 by 3 plus f value is 0 kabatti 0 plus c value వచ్చేసి minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. Then ఇక్కడ 3 is LCM, therefore take that now. So 3 into x square plus y square plus, in that here this is x is there, the minus 14 x minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. So if you transpose the thing, this become the 0. Therefore the final answer is x square plus y square into 3 here minus 14x minus 67 is equal to 0. So this is the required answer. So the circle which has the center on the x-axis and passing through the points minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. So this is the method of finding the answer for the given conditions. So it is also very important question for the IP purpose. Thank you. Next question: if the abscissa of points a comma b are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square, and ordinates of a comma b are the roots of y square plus 2py minus q square is equal to 0, then find the equation of a circle for which AB is a diameter. So first of all we should know what is the abscissa and what is the ordinate. So if you take a point here x comma y, so in that the x coordinate is called as the abscissa and y is called as the ordinate. So you given that here for the a comma b, so the abscissa means here if you take the a is the x1 comma y1, take as the x1 y1 a, b is the x2 y2. So you given that here x1 comma x2 are the roots of the equation what here, x square plus 2ax plus minus b square, and y1 and y2 are the roots of the equation y square plus 2py minus q square is equal to 0. So then what is the equation of the circle which has the AB is diameter? అంటే AB అనేది డయామీటర్గా ఉండేటువంటి సర్కిల్ ఏంటిది? వాటి లోపల A B 2 పాయింట్లు అయితే గిట్ట x1 x2 ఆర్ ద రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ వాటి x square plus 2ax minus b square is equal to 0, and y1 y2 are the roots of the equation y square plus 2py minus q square is equal to 0. So first of all take that here. So let the 2 points A and B. So let take that here. Let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. So and we know that here the circle equation x1 y1 and x2 y2 as the diameter ends. If the A comma B are the end of the diameters, then the circle equation, the circle AB as diameter is what here we have is the x minus x1 and x minus x2 and plus y minus y1 plus y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the circle equation if the x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the ends of the diameter. So we have to multiply here, x into x become the x square, then x into x2, so minus x x2, then minus x into x1 x x1, then next minus plus x1 x2, then plus here also we get the y square and y into minus y2 y y2 minus y y1 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. So now if you first write the x square term is the x square, then take the y term y square, write the x square terms you should write here. So for the purpose ఇక్కడ d రెండిటి లోపల మనకు x is common, take the minus x take outside, then we get that here x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2. So then we get the y terms here, so we get that here after the x term should the x and x2 remains there, that here x1 x2. So from here take the minus y common from these two, we get that minus y of y1 plus y2, then plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. So take the this equation as A. This equation is the A, and given the condition what here, the condition is given that, so ఇక్కడ x1 comma x2 are roots of what here, that is x square plus 2ax minus b square is equal to 0. So minus b square is equal to 0. So then the x1 comma x2 are the roots. So then what are the sum of the roots is equal to, for x1 plus x2 is equal to, so if you take that here, if the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation, then sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. So this is the formula we have. So apply the formula here, then so x1 plus x2 is equal sum of roots minus b by ikkada minus b ante minus 2a by 1. So nothing but gives that here, so x1 plus x2 is equal to minus 2a and x1 into x2, the product of roots is equal to c by a, nothing but minus b square by a means 1. Then we give that here, so x1 x2 is equal, we get that minus b square So this is the next to the same way. So what are the, and y1 comma y2 are roots of equation here y square and plus 2py minus q square is equal to 0. So then same way, what is the y1 plus y2 is equal to minus b by a, and minus 2p by a value 1, need not write, then take that here value. Then y1 into y2, the product of roots is equal to minus c by a. C is equal to minus q square by a is equal to 1, need not write. Then these are the values here. Substitute these four values in the equation 1. Substitute these in equation AR1, right? Now get that here, x square plus y square minus x into, what is the x1 plus x2 is equal, it is the minus 2a, then plus, what is the x1 x2 is equal, that is the minus b square, is the minus b square, plus what is the minus y into, sorry, take it here, minus y into y1 plus y2 is equal to, so minus 2p, and plus y1 y2 is equal to, this is the minus q square is equal to 0. Therefore get that here, x square plus y square minus plus 2ax, then we get that here minus to minus plus 2py, then minus b square minus q square is equal to 0. Finally we get the answer here, x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2py. If you take the minus common outside, we get that here minus of b square plus q square is equal to 0. So this is the answer for the given conditions.